Hi everyone, Jan Fursden here with Fursden House. I just wanted to do a quick impromptu little video here to share something with you. I was printing off some papers yesterday from digital kits, and I wanted to try something new, and I've done this in one or two of the journals I just completed for the fashion paper dolls, and I thought I'm going to print them all off. And when I did, I was just amazed at the color, and so I wanted to share those with you. This digital kit, it's called Gilded Leather Grunge Papers, and it's by TaylorMade Journals. And when it first came out, I just totally missed it. I think I probably saw the word leather and the word grunge and just went right on past it, because I'm always watching for Lorna's stuff. She makes some amazing digital kits. Again, that's TaylorMade Journals, and I'll put the link and everything below, but I just totally missed it. And then I saw someone else use it in one of their journals, and I thought, oh, wow, that's really cool. I think it was Sharon Hoerth. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Hoerth. She did this fabulous Renaissance Bible keepsake devotional book, and she used some of these, and I'm like, oh my goodness. So I went to TaylorMade Journals. I thought maybe it was new. No, it's been out for a while. So I'm embarrassed to say that I should not judge quickly, but lesson learned. But it's a wonderful kit. It's got lots of pages in it. But the key to this, now they look great on regular paper, and if that's what you want to do, fine. But I'm experimenting with photo paper. And I'll put the link down below also of the kind that I'm using. But this is glossy photo paper. It's not cheap. It's it's photo paper. But I got mine on Amazon, and so that was a little bit better. But it's just fabulous. I'm going to adjust this right here for you. I'm hoping that you can see this. It is glossy. I think you might be able to see that. And it's just fabulous. I mean, just gorgeous, gorgeous. I can't get over how beautiful all of these look. Now, on the back, I don't think you can write on this. I wouldn't want to write on it because it might interfere with the other side, if you're going to use it for journals. But what I did was I just sewed just regular paper, or I think I may have done both, glued and sewed, who knows. But I just put regular tea stain paper on the back so that you can use the other side for writing on for a journal. But this side is just, gosh, have I said gorgeous yet? So anyway, let me just go ahead and start. This is one of my favorites. I think they're all my favorites now. I hadn't printed all of them until yesterday, and I'm like, oh my goodness. And here another. The colors are so rich on this photo paper. I'm astounded. I won't do it that way. I'll do it this way. That way you can still see some of them. And there's another one. It's just got a depth to it. And ooh, this one's yummy. And you just don't get that on regular paper. I mean, you can have presentation paper, which is much better than regular paper, but again, that's a little bit pricey too. But I thought, if you really want bang for your buck, go with photo paper. And this is a little bit thicker than I want, and I think they actually make it thinner. So I'm going to be ordering that. The next one I'll run out of this. Look at this one. Oh, these colors. So beautiful. And again, it's just got, this is glossy. I think you can get matte finish. I like the glossy. And it's really a standout feature. And so here they are. I was just amazed at how well they came out. This one, oh my goodness, goodness, goodness. Lorna, I don't know how you did it, but it's just fabulous. I think it's got, what, about 18 pages in it or something. It's a large kit. And this one looked like you just took gold leaf and put it all on there. Beautiful colors. These are some of my favorites. I love the teal My favorite colors are greens and pinks and shades therein. And teal is one of them. I can't remember if I've already printed this one out or not, but there was one that I printed twice without realizing it, so maybe seeing that twice. Oh, look at this one. Make a beautiful book cover. And I think this is the last one. So again, this is TaylorMade Journals. It's called the Gilded Leather Grunge Paper Digital Kit, printed on photo paper, glossy photo paper. So that I wanted to share with you. That was the main reason for me to get on so quickly on the thing. There's one other little tip I wanted to share with you. Something I found the other day at Hobby Lobby. I was looking for something to put my pens and, the various sundry things. And I keep them I have been keeping them in this metal tin, but it's just hard to find what I need. And this is what I found the other day in Hobby Lobby. It is so cool. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18. Yeah, 18 slots. And what it is, it's in their section. I think it's for organizing jewelry. No, makeup. I think it's a lipstick or makeup separator organizer type thingy. I'm sure they probably call it something much nicer to remember. But it's wonderful. And it works. And it separates everything just enough that I can see what I'm doing. And a couple of them I've got, 2 things in there. But again, 18 slots, and it's really helpful. So I just wanted to share that quick little tip with you. So anyway, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And many thanks to Lorna for her fabulous designs. I mean, it's just, wow. I can't stop looking at them, and it's like, oh yeah, I've got to make something with them. So anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.